Hey guys, today I'm going to be looking at an Amcrest webcam. They sent it to me for testing so I can tell them and tell you guys what I think about it. I think an unboxing is in order here.
So let's take a look at this today. It's the Amcrest 1080 Pro webcam. It has built-in mic, stereo mics, which we'll test. Side the box. And the back. It's a Prostream. My camera's focusing. It says Prostream. And this is the side. Flexible and adjustable. Alright, let's take a look what's in the box. This knife is overkill. Looks like it's well packed. Comes with FCC documentation, warranty, and thank you for your purchase. Comes with a little manual, just like 4-page thing. Pretty basic. Comes with foam. Looks like a little, I think it's a cap. It looks like a cap. We'll get into that in a second. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. Doesn't look like it. Just foamy things. Get it out of the box. Let's put all this to the side. Let's take a look at the thing itself. Comes very, very well zip tied or tie wrapped or whatever you call these things. There's 1 and 2. So you get 2 of these to go into your drawer. This thing is pretty sizable. This is the front. And that's, I don't know about that. Protection that I'm just going to peel off anyway. Oh, there it goes. That goes off to the side. It's sticking to me. So, this is the unit itself. It's pretty shiny on the front. On the back. And this is very interesting. It has a tripod mount there, which is always something handy to have. And it's directional, so this is the base, so you can face it in any direction. And I will put this on my laptop to see how it goes. But the build quality, it's plastic, feels pretty good though. There is a nice rubber inside here as to not scratch your laptop or whatever you're putting this on. Feels very solid though, like this isn't, it's not going to shake on the base, so that's just no shaky. Interesting. And see, fingerprints are probably going to be all over this. Yep, look at that. Fingerprint. And it's a normal USB-A wire. So if you have an Apple with only C's, you're out of luck. Let's put this on the lap. More fingerprints. Let's put this on the laptop.
I am recording this video from the Amcrest using the Windows built-in camera app. The camera itself seems very sturdy and well made, albeit kind of big and heavy. This is probably so it can be balanced and support the weight of the wire without falling back. It'll look funny on small laptops, but it won't look out of place in an office setting. I have it shown here on my 14-inch laptop. It features a screw on the bottom so it can be mounted to a tripod. I did notice what looks like a ferrite choke near the USB plug to reduce interference. A nice touch. Also, the status light of the camera is a bit dim, and it really depends on how you're looking at it to see if the camera's on. You have to really be looking at the bottom to see the light, otherwise it'll look like that it's not on. I am here on a Zoom meeting with all my friends, as you can see. The camera has its own driver, which is always reassuring. A lot of cameras rely on generic drivers, which can cause problems on some systems. The camera doesn't have a focus ring, so everything is going to be in focus, including what's behind me. You might want to use Zoom's green screen feature if you don't want people to see your impressively large book collection. Back at the camera app, the picture is very good as long as there's good light. I have a ring light illuminating my face right now. If I turn it off, you can see that the quality degrades. Amcrest, if you're watching, and I know you're watching, I would consider adding these to a future camera. A light would be good. The camera is big enough to support a couple of LEDs, and I don't think the power draw would be too much of a hassle. Also, 1080p looks good, but we're living in a 4K plus world, and upgrading the sensor might be worth it. A way to wind the wire around the unit would be nice for storing when not in use.
So I think for this experiment, I'm going to put on this little tiny toilet seat cover. I was going to use it to potty train my hamster, but I guess this is more important. So what I'll do is carefully take off this backing and see if I can get it center. Like, ooh, it sticks already. I think that was all right. Now it's on there.
And now, welcome to ASMR with Rob Campo. Today, I'm going to clean your ears to test out the stereo separation of this Amcrest webcam. I need you to put on your headphones and close your eyes. As you can see, the lens cap works, but you should really have your eyes closed for this. I am going to now gently start on your left ear with this Q-tip. Wow, it seems really dirty in there. When was the last time you cleaned them? And now for the right. That's better. And now I'm going to try to punch into a pretzel stick on the left side and probably getting crumbs into my laptop keyboard. What in the hell was that? Well, anyway, as you could hear, the stereo separation isn't that noticeable. I think a firmware update could fix this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, or whatever the kids say these days, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.